Guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent remedy for facial hairs. Many of the women are facing problem for facial hairs. First of all, I will tell you what is meant by facial hairs. Facial hairs is a hair which is grown on your face, usually on your chin area, on your cheeks and also on your upper lip region. Means having that one that is called as beard, mustache and goatees or sideburns, but that for them it's a trend. For us, for women, we should not have facial hairs, it will look awkward. So why the facial hairs are coming? Now I will tell you guys why women's facial hairs is growing. Because of the developing of excessive body or facial hair due to the higher than normal level of androgens including testosterone. All females produces androgens, but the level of typically remains low. Most of the women are having hormone issues, so they having facial hairs, PCOD, that all issues are having means, so the facial hairs will come. If it's genetic, some women having genetic issues, so if it's like that also they will have facial hairs. So come guys, let's start how to remove our facial hairs at home itself from the first use. So from many years we are using wheat in our daily food. So come guys, let's know what is in the wheat. Wheat is having dietary fiber and manganese and as well as magnesium, and also it is good for our skin. The grains are unrefined and contains all the essential nutrients that contribute to beautiful and healthy skin. So it is good for providing nourishment, it is good to protect against sun damage, it provides us beautiful skin and healthy and glowing skin, it promotes skin elasticity, it is having natural anti-aging properties which will keep our skin radiant. It is good for fighting acne, it will prevent skin cancer also. It is having hair benefit which will remove our remove our facial hairs also. So here I have taken 1 spoonful of wheat flour and I have strained it, because we know guys, in wheat there will be worms or anything. So before using any of the things whichever you are using for face, you have to strain it, or else you have to wash and keep it for dry, then only you have to use it. Okay, so my second ingredient is sugar. I am going to grind my normal sugar into powder form. As you all know guys, sugar is good for our skin. It will from drying act as a natural moisturizer. It helps to hydrate our skin. Here I am going to grind and keep it for my future use also. See guys, I have grinded my sugar. Sugar is having glycolic acid which penetrate the skin cells and leaves yours looking fresh and rejuvenated skin. So now I am going to add in it same equal quantity of sugar powder. One spoon of sugar powder. So my third ingredient is wild turmeric. As you all know guys, wild turmeric gives you blemishes free, natural and glowing skin, reduces acne and also scars effectively, and also it slow down the growth of facial hairs, which we want now in this remedy. Here I am taking half spoon of turmeric. If you are thinking after applying this your skin is yellow, no need to worry guys, you just need to apply milk on your face and rub it, and then all your turmeric will remove. So kindly avoid kitchen haldi, try to use wild turmeric only. So I am going to mix all these ingredients well. So my fourth ingredient is honey. As you all know guys, honey will work as a good moisturizer for your face. It is having various nutrients, the hair follicles and the for hairs also. It is an effective treatment to promote to remove your facial hairs. Sorry guys, honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedy. It is having antibacterial and antiseptic abilities that will remove the acne pores. Honey is also a natural humectant. It will help to keep our skin moist and oily also. So now in this I am going to add honey to make mixture of it. Here I am adding 1 spoon. 1 to 2 spoon of honey will require to make mixture. Mix it well. See guys, see the consistency. I had mixed all these ingredients well. Now you need to apply it, and see, I will show you. You need to apply it on your upper lip, chin, on your cheeks also, little bit thick form, and then after it's getting dry, you need to remove it from the upper part like this. If you're having hairs on your upper lips, you need to remove it from this part. If you're having on your cheeks, you have to remove it from the down to up, okay, not up to down. You have to remove it like this so that it will come out easily. So I hope you all like my remedy. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. You have to use this facial hair pack weekly thrice or twice. You can use this for your small child also from 3 years and above, and you can see the result by yourself. I hope you all like my remedy. Thank you guys. Bye.